guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to show you guys my Valentine's caddies. I am sending these out to Anna over at Anna's Wonderland. She's hosting a Valentine's Day swap and it's send to get to. So I put two together. Instead of everybody sending Anna a caddy as well, we just didn't think she'd want to get all these caddies for hosting. I usually send a hostess gift, so I'm going to put something together for her that's not part of a caddy. It's just going to be a little Valentine surprise. So I don't want to show that because I want her to be surprised when she gets it. But the caddy is this. It is made with the, what is it called? Happy Hearts collection from Simple Stories. It's from last year. I didn't buy the new one this year. I wanted to use up what I had. Let me take all this stuff off and just show you the actual caddy. I'll link the tutorial down below for the caddy. I made a few adjustments because hers was so big. I didn't think it would be very easy to mail. And I know that when Anna sends them out, I think she wants to keep it in an envelope, so you would be able to send two of this size. So I just use the insert, and you'll see what I mean if you watch the video. So the original, this is the insert, and then it's got two sides here, so it's actually like a large square. So I just used a neutral paper because I didn't have a lot of the Happy Hearts. I just bought another 6x8 to use for this project, and I used it almost all up. I'll show you guys what I have left when I'm done with the video here, but I needed something for a solid base paper, so I just used this. It's just got some Valentine phrases on it. It was part of a matte stack from like Michael's or something a couple of years ago. But anyway, I did a little bit of stitching on it. I stitched the handles here. They're attached with these little binder rings. And then there are 4 pockets. There's 2 on each side. You know, they have a little bit of room in there. You don't have too much room, but they look like that. And I went ahead and I just did some stitching around each pocket here. I did a cluster here. And then on this side, I stitched around here and then just did a cluster of flowers down here. And I just added some stickers kind of around it. On the front here, I glued on one of these flowers. I think I got these from AliExpress. So I used a teal one on here, or an aqua color one, and then I used a peach color one on the other one. So I'll show you that in a second. So I just added a couple stickers in the pocket here. I cut these apart so they each had 3. Then I gave them each a little gift. I just had these Jen Hatfield hearts in my collection, so I thought I would share those. Each caddy had to have a hanging element, so I had ended up finding these on clearance at Hobby Lobby for like $1.74. So I picked it up with this project in mind, and I just attached it on here. So inside, we have chunky memory dexes, so I don't want to get it out, so I'm going to try and show you without a glare on here. So I just layered it up really thick. I did like rosettes and the foam stickers, and I did some sewing on the memory dex part of it, and then just added and added and added. So it's just got enamel dots and these brads on there and just a bunch of goodness in there. So this is her memory dex, so that fits inside there. I also altered these little kissing booths. These are the ones from Dollar Tree. So I did just cover it with some paper from that collection, added a cluster of flowers. What I ended up doing for this, you guys, is I just turned it over like this, and then I just traced it on the paper. And then I cut it out. I cut out the middle, and then I just went ahead with like a nail file like this, and then just roughed the edges up, and that went ahead and not only distressed it just a little bit, but it also cleans up the edges really well. And then I just added some pom-pom trim. Again, like I said, flower clusters, some foam stickers, some puffy stickers, some brads down here. So yeah, just layered up a bunch of goodness. So that goes in here as well. Then I gifted these heart stickers. I think these are Recollections. They're kind of an ombre color. I don't know if that's coming across, but they go from red kind of up to a real light pink. And then I just made a bag topper using a doily and some Valentine's ephemera that I had. I'm sticking that in there. You could either send along 10 die cuts or 10 charms. I went ahead and just sent a little baggie of like trinkets. So I have probably 15 charms in here, maybe a little bit more. And then I have some bubblegum beads, and I have just a little wood veneer piece. I have some little red seed beads. I tried to stay in the Valentine's Day colors. I've got these little heart beads as well. That's that. So I've got all those little, anything that had pink in it, I kind of grabbed. So little flamingo, a little envelope there. Then last few here. This little kitty is so cute with her little pink, a little hot air balloon. That's a pink bow. I have a telephone, a swan, another telephone. Yeah, so just some goodies in there. And then I put them all in this like little organza bag. And each bag is very similar. It might vary in colors a little bit, but they each have the same type of goodies. So I'm just going to tie this up. And then I did a sequin mix. That was another requirement. So it was a chunky Memdex, 10 charms or 10 die cuts, a sequin mix. And I'm finally using these little snails that I got from AliExpress. So the little mix is in there. Let's see if you can see it. I know the ring light is giving you a glare, but I love that. Doesn't that look so cute in the snail? I love it. So each person gets a little snail tucked in there with the glitter. I included one little felt heart. I had 3 left from my Valentine's Day scoop. I added these in there, my confetti, and I kept 3 out for myself. So I have 1 pink, 1 red, and 1 white. So I have the white and the pink. Oh, here's the take flip I was saying. So I didn't do this real thick. I just wanted a way to give some more goodies. But I received this ruffled sequin. I think this is from Tina. I think Tina over at Tina's Craft Creations sent this to me. So I put that around a little pink jump ring. I added a gold heart frame, a gold little hair tie. I gifted some of the lace trim from Dollar Tree. And then here's just some really fuzzy pink pretty trim that I'm gifting. And then this cute little tag and these paper clips I clipped to the side. So that also gets tucked in here. I didn't put anything in the back pockets just because I didn't have anything light enough to put in there. I didn't want to weigh it down too much. So here's the other one. Very, very similar. Here I'm gifting some doodle pops instead of the hearts. I'll show you the couple things that are different. So this is the other kissing booth that I altered. Again, the same kind of concept. Just put some words up here or a word phrase. Foam stickers, chipboard, a little rosette, and a flower cluster. And then this is my Memdex for the second recipient. So all kinds of layered goodness on there. And then we also had to send along 10 bows and 10 rosettes. So I have these packaged separate. Mine wouldn't fit in there, so I'm going to just add them to the package. So there are 2 of the navy blue, 2 of the hot pink in like a glitter paper. And then I was gifted these cabochons by Leanna, and I put them on the bows. I thought they looked perfect. The pink bows have a little bit of tulle in the background there. I wish I didn't package these up, guys. I'm sorry. I wasn't thinking of the video when I went ahead and just got them packaged. So like I said, I have a little tulle in the background of the glittered ones. And then this is the other set. I just have some vellum in the background here that's like gold hearts on it. And then I have some little sequin mix in there. I got this from Crafty Kimchi. I think we did a swap last year, one of Anna's swaps. She was partnered with me, so she sent that along. So I was able to use that. And then the 4 rosettes we were supposed to send undecorated so they could, you know, embellish them up themselves. So I did 2 crepe paper. I did an aqua and a pink crepe paper, and then just 2 scalloped edge ones here. So they both look exactly the same. So I'll send both of these off as well. And then the last thing that we needed to include was a sweet treat. So I don't know if you saw on my channel or not, but I did a demonstration on how I made these chocolate hot cocoa spoons. So I'm going to send them each a hot cocoa spoon. So I'll add that into the little caddy. I have there's a little heart I need to put back in. I have a card that I put together for each one. So this is the first one. Then I have this one. And then finally, this one. And then I did decorate the envelopes a little bit. And I'll go ahead and send my note on a separate piece of paper inside these so they can use these if they want to. They'll be blank for them. All right, so that is everything that's getting sent out in the swap. And now let me show you what I've got left. So it was this collection, this Happy Hearts collection. This is just the paper that comes with it. This is all I have left for stickers. So just a couple little tiny ones here. A little scalloped edge there. So that's it. I did a really good job on that. For paper, I just had a few scraps left over from last year, which is why I had to just buy the 1 6x8 for this year. So this is all the paper I have left, just these little scraps. And I think this coordinates with this year's collection. So I'll hang on to this, and I don't know, you know, when Simple Stories comes out with theirs next year, it may all coordinate with that as well. So just a couple things there. This is what I have left for the puffy stickers. It's not too many. I have these enamel dots left. This I threw in there. This is one of the, I don't even know if this is a crepe paper collection or if this was Joanne's sticker. I'm not sure where these puffy stickers are from, but they coordinated enough that I threw them in here. This is what I have left of the Brad, so just 4 of those. These are some other enamel dots that coordinated, so I just threw those in there with that as well. Chipboard and ephemera. This is all I have. These 3 little pieces of ephemera and this chipboard piece, so that's it there. And then I just have a rosette, extra rosette that I made that I threw inside here. So that's it. I think I did great with this collection. Like I said, I'll hang on to these little bits and pieces for next year to see if they'll coordinate with the new collection that came out, or if I'm interested in purchasing this year's collection. Once it goes on sale after Valentine's Day, we'll see. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.